Hello, welcome to another vlog. There's no project video this week because at the beginning of the week I was made up with man flu, severe man flu. I could barely move. I'm still a bit chesty, so you have to excuse my voice. So I figured time to do a vlog. I shouldn't have been doing one for about another week, but anyway. Well, the big news is thank you for 1,000 subscribers. Anybody who subscribed, watched video, or just generally put up with me, it's really appreciated. Thank you so much. I never thought I'd get to 1,000. It was one of my goals, so the next one will be 2,000. If I'm lucky enough to get there, you never know. So again, a big thank you to everybody. Other news is my Black & Decker workmate. I've decided I'm going to put it into semi-retirement and build myself an island workbench in the middle of the workshop. We're a bit unfortunate in the UK. We have to deal with sheds and garages and things like that that's really small. You watch these big American channels and they've all got island workbenches, something they can walk the entire way around. It does seem to make the job a lot easier. Downside to it is obviously with smaller workshops is it takes up a lot of space, but I'm going to give it a whirl and see how it turns out. So that project's going to be coming up in the next week or two, depending on when I can get it done. I've also been inundated with requests. I've had at least 2 or 3 requests to have a look in my woodshed. Apparently in some of my videos I say I brought this up from my woodshed. People want to see, or 2 or 3 people want to see anyway, what's in this woodshed, what's in this mystical place. So when I get through the stickers and everything else, we'll go for a walk down and I'll show you my woodshed. Right, so on to the stickers. I've still got my gloves on because I can't get one on. So the first one I got was John Clothier. I hope I pronounced that right, mate. To me, John's a woodworking artist. He makes sort of heirloom type things that you want to pass down to your family. Just beautiful things. Well worth a look. I'll leave a link in the description below. Go and check him out. The next one I got was Woodcreations. See that on my gloves on. Another cracking bloke, cracking channel. Go and check him out. I'll leave a link in the description. Martin MG Makes. This is one of my new favourite channels. I've watched every video he's done so far. At the minute he's doing a metalwork lathe restoration and really enjoying that one. Another cracking channel. He sent me a little palette as well, so thank you for that, Martin. Much appreciated. I thought it was really cute, that. So I'll leave a link in the doobly-doo. He's definitely worth checking out. He's new starting. I think he's got about 150 odd subs, or where last time I looked. Go and show him a bit of love. Another wood turning channel. I can't pronounce his name, I'm not even going to try. But he's got about 20,000 plus subscribers, so he's got to be worth a look. So I'll leave a link in the doobly-doo. Go and check him out. Then we've got MSA Woodcreations. He hasn't got a YouTube channel, seems to concentrate on his Instagram. If you're going to stickers, he seems to like to collect stickers, so he's well worth a look. Cracking bloke. And the last one, it came this morning, is Make It Soph. Now she'll take everyday items and make them into works of art. The last one that I watched was the Makers Rock album art collaboration. Try saying that quick. And I'm blown away. It was a stunning video and a stunning piece of work. Really worth checking out. Brilliant. So link in the doobly-doo. So I think that's about it for here. So we'll go down it at Woodshed and we'll have a look around there. And here we are inside my woodshed. I call it the woodshed now, but back in the day, 20 years ago, this used to be my workshop. It was where we used to repair cars and spray cars. You can't get a car down the drive now because it's full of greenhouses. I've got it divided into two parts. This side keeps all the wood and general junk, all the car stuff, the seats, etc. They're all my son's. And then the other side, it's just plant pots. The roof's about at it. One of the projects this year, I'm hoping to put a new roof on it and maybe turn it into a metal workshop. Time and money permitting, of course. On this rack here, there is one shelf full of pallet wood, but there is also a lot of mahogany and teak, lots of oak. Down on the floor there, if you can see them boards, that's covering an old pit up. Here we've got some trellis and a couple of chairs, some old laminate flooring. I can't chuck no away. All the rest of it is plant pots, seed trays, out to do with gardening really. The RSJ that you can see hanging out the wall there is what we used to use for lifting engines out, things like that. Making me feel old now. So back in the wood side, all down this side on this racking is mainly pallet wood, and other bits chucked on top or chucked around. There's always something to sort through, and I can't bear to part with copper pipe. Down at the bottom there we've got a couple of vices and a bench jointer. I went have a rummage round, and right at the back I found these typesetting drawers. I forgot I got them. That'll be an upcoming project. Well, I hope that didn't bore you too much. Thanks again for the subscriptions. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now. And I forgot to mention the wall of fantasticness. Getting full with stickers now. If anyone wants to send me any more, feel free. You better have contact me on Facebook or Instagram. Thanks again everybody.